son coches. Arrancando desde la parrilla.
Atención ahí por detrás que está colocando mucho más impulso para que
Seventh driver's title, 11th team's title, unbeaten here for the last 3 times we've been here. 10 top 10 for every round. Boys, how does that feel?
That is so good. That is so damn good. First GT World Championship for me. I had to try and keep up with this guy who's won I don't know how many, but it's been an amazing year. This guy's done an amazing job. It's been a pleasure racing with him, Team WRT. I'm so proud of everyone. Proud of you, mate.
That pit stop was lightning fast, and then Charles, that stint, you brought it home beautifully.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, I'm speechless for the performance of Kelvin today. He's been absolutely on it. Was very, I even forgot about me driving the car. I was just looking at him doing his thing. So honestly, you have my hat.
Nervous?
It's massive. I think we went to bed last night, and obviously he was feeling super down and feeling hurt, and we knew we had a big job today. We knew maybe we didn't have the fastest car in qualifying, but we knew in the race we could come alive and we could show them in the pit stops, and that's exactly what we did. We executed perfectly, and honestly, Team WRT won us a championship this year. We've had so many amazing pit stops, and so I'm massively proud to come back from such a low to such a high. That's motorsport. That's why we love it.
Congratulations, boys. You just keep adding those to those top trumps. Congratulations.
En la categoría sprint.